Hello everyone, I'm Simon and I'm doing a little project specifically for Kingdom Come Deliverance, where the main design concept is to make finger versions of the known characters. So for starters, I had to figure out the logic, the mechanics behind the design, whether to keep the legs, the arms, so the limbs, or have to be shaped down into something more simpler body shape. And after a while I figured it will be better if there are no limbs at all. So without limbs, the character kind of look like a figurine now, a chess piece, and it was good because it also kept the finger-like build-up, if I can say that. It's just like one finger and that's it. And I like that. So it's like a chess piece, but in finger style. And that was the main concept that, as a conclusion, came out from this drafting process. And here's how Henry looks like in the finger style chess piece format. And this is the main reference on which other characters will be based on. So stay tuned, more to come. Bye.